Hi, my name is Federico and I'm with Tlapazola Party Rentals. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our patio heaters. The very first step is to turn on the propane tank. You can either do this by opening the door or putting your hand through this built-in hole. To open the gas, all you need to do is turn the valve counterclockwise. Once you're done with this step, all you need to do is close the door. The second step is to push in the control knob and turn to high and immediately ignite the heater. Hold it for 20 seconds. Once your heater is on, you will be able to adjust the temperature to your preference. For a lower temperature, turn the control knob counterclockwise, and for a higher temperature, turn it back clockwise. And now here are 3 precautions recommended for your safety. Once you turn the control knob to high, immediately ignite the heater to avoid a fireball. Now that your heater is on, we recommend it is away at least 3 feet from any object, especially flammable materials, to avoid a fire. Once you are all done using your heater, it is very important to turn off the propane tank. This heater is constructed of stainless steel and has a BTU of 48,000. It has a range of 200 square feet to keep your guests warm and cozy. You also have the option to request to have your heater wrapped in white or black at an additional fee. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos of our products and event planning ideas, or visit us at tlapazola.com for more information.